Good morning. The bulls would have no regrets for most positions taken in recent times thanks to an electrifying buying of sorts across the board. But then today is another day and things could turn out to be different. So one should be a little bit careful even as the bulls look to lift the key indices further up. Today's start will be steady to cautious, but the sentiments could turn around by the close, especially if the global markets extend gains. Small and mid-cap counters will remain abuzz but do not get carried away. Asian markets are mixed to flat, European markets finished marginally higher on lower volumes, and the US markets were closed for Labor Day. Central banks in Japan and Australia are set to leave the key rates steady today. Bank of Canada will take a call on rates tomorrow, and the Bank of England will review its policy on Thursday. The RBI would be meeting on the 16th of September to review its policy rates. The latest IIP data will be out on the 10th of September and August inflation on the 14th of September. The Nifty may surpass 5,600 and even go farther, but expect some resistance. Near-term support is likely to kick in at around 5,550. The other news for the day is IT firms could be in action amid reports that ABN AMRO could renew its $1 billion contract. Sri Renuka Sugars is mulling picking up a major stake in NCDEX along with JP Capital. Pawan Kumar Ruya is considering a German acquisition under the listed entity Falcon Tyres. Jindal Stainless is seeking permission of lenders to buy stake in a Orissa power project. Artia Cellular could attract some attention amid reports that Etisalat may look at buying a stake in the company. Karur Vysya Bank will consider a bonus and a rights issue today. The board of directors of Jyoti Limited will meet today to consider preferential allotment to promoters and non-promoters. India's net direct tax receipts for the period April-August rose 13.91% year-on-year. Corporate tax receipts in April-August rose 17.05% to 577.5 billion rupees. The Ministry of Coal is considering a proposal to commit at least 5% of the profits from a project for local area development under guidelines being finalized for competitive bidding of captive coal blocks. The Petroleum Ministry has approved part sale of government stake in ONGC and IOC, a move that could fetch the government over 240 billion rupees this year. Reliance Industries, which has struck 3 shale gas joint ventures with US firms this year, may make a full buyout next as the cash-rich firms builds the knowledge it needs to run such operations. Power Finance Corp plans to raise $240 million through foreign loans in Japan and China for funding power projects in India. HDFC Bank raised its benchmark prime lending rate by 50 basis points to 16.25%. SBI might continue with 8% concessional home loan rates even after September 2010. Moving on to the recommendations, the technical calls are a buy on HEG Limited. We recommend traders to buy the stock above levels of Rs 337 for a target price of Rs 356 and the stop loss is replaced at Rs 329. And a buy on GAIL, we advise buying the stock above levels of Rs 477 with a stop loss to be maintained at Rs 459 for a target price of Rs 500. And the derivative strategies are long DLF September future in the range of Rs 317 to Rs 318 for a target price of Rs 334 and the stop loss is to be placed at Rs 313. And long Divislab September future in the range of Rs 766 to Rs 770 for a target price of Rs 807 and the stop loss is to be placed at Rs 756. Thank you and have a great day ahead.